That's a pretty interesting new noise you have, Emily. That's a pretty interesting new noise. You can show me again how you do it? No bubbles on there. That's how you broke the last one. You can do it again? No bubbles on there, honey. That's how you broke the last one. I see you. I see the little wheels turning in your head. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Nobody wants to watch video of you blowing bubbles. Hey! No bubbles. Are you gonna kick me? Should I get that on camera? Huh? Is your leg getting stuck? 'Cause you can't reach Mommy to kick me? Does it make you mad? Well, come on. Come and get me then. Come here. I'll help you. That is just goofy. Okay. That's just goofy.